As you can see here, my garland is already hung on the banister. Once after I hang, then I wrap around with the ribbon. I'm using two ribbons here. The bigger size is a glass pin, and I accent it with the gold, the second gold ribbon. And then after I wrap around, I rearrange the loop of the ribbon to make sure that I like the placement, how I wrap around. And then after that, I um, I used white poinsettia to insert where the garland meeting point, like where along the banister. I normally decorated it with spike and some stem of twigs. So as you can see here, a white and twigs and two glass pink roses. Because this year my accent for stairs is gold and glass pink, white and silver. Here where the garland swag, I insert some of the stem of glass pink roses. This is how it looks like when the arrangement is done. It's very pretty. I love the look. I like that color combination. I hope you enjoy my how to decorate the staircase for Christmas decor. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is Velma, your Pinay Living Decorator in Canada. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Bye for now.